This is going to really help you when it comes to manifesting what you want. So this is going to be kind of a long video, but I really want you to listen to what I'm about to say. So somebody sent me a video of a manifestation coach that is on YouTube. If he had TikTok, I would tag him, but you should all go check out his videos. His name is Eric, and this video that I listened to is gold. So in this video, he uses an example of having a little wizard Mickey by your side, a blind Mickey that can't see, but he can only hear whatever it is that you are telling the little wizard. So the wizard is by your side at all times, listening to what you tell it. It can't see, but it's listening to every single thing that you say, and every single time that you tell the wizard something, it goes and it brings you more of what it is that you want. So in the video, he talks about, say you are manifesting money, and then all of a sudden you get a knock on the door and it's a creditor telling you that you owe so much money. Now in this moment, you can either react to what the creditor is telling you and complain that you owe so much money, or you can change the story. Now remember, in this moment, you have this little wizard that is staying by your side, can't see, but is listening to every single thing that you tell it. So the wizard says to you, what was that? And you could tell the wizard, oh, that was a creditor. He's telling me I owe this much money. This is ridiculous. Money is so hard to come by. Or you could change the story and tell the wizard that, oh, they actually told me that I just received a check for $10,000, and money just flows to me so easily and effortlessly. And when you are telling the wizard that, the wizard is going to say to you, oh, okay, here, let me give you more of this. Now, I thought that his video was brilliant because so many times there are circumstances that pop up in the 3D. And when circumstances pop up in the 3D, our first reaction is that we are going to freak out and we are going to think that we are not getting what we want. And we think that, oh, it's just impossible for you to have what you want. But when you use this analogy as if a little wizard is by your side that can't see but can only hear you, you are going to be more aware of what it is that you are thinking, because the wizard represents your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what you are imagining and what is currently happening. It is always going to prove you right no matter what. So every single time you are undergoing circumstances, I want you to imagine a little wizard that is next to you. It could be anything, just anything that helps you to imagine that this little thing, it can't hear, it can't see, it can only hear what you are telling it. So if you start complaining about your specific person, that they want nothing to do with you, that you two are in no contact, that they're with somebody else, this little wizard is listening to you. It can't see what's happening. It's only listening to what you are telling it, and it's going to bring you more and more of that. So start telling the story of what it is that you want to experience. Start telling the story that money comes to you easily and effortlessly, that your specific person is constantly blowing up your phone because they adore you and they are so happy to be with you. Start telling the story that you make 6 figures every single month. Every single time that you do this and you remind yourself, okay, I need to continue to persist in the reality that I want to experience. I need to persist in being the version of myself that has what I want. You will experience whatever it is that you want. Just remember, the little wizard is always listening to you. Your 3D does not matter. The circumstances that are happening right now in your 3D do not matter. But you are keeping that alive by continuing to have your awareness on what it is that is happening right now. And you continue to experience that reality over and over again. Take your power back right now. Go within to the true reality. And when you persist in the true reality, which is your imagination, you will experience a different reality. Let me know if this helped you in the comments, and please go and check out Eric on YouTube. I believe his channel is called The Power of I Am. Incredible, incredible video, and I hope you all have a great day. Follow me for more tips.